Are you seeing these rays that are coming out?
I did, yes.
You know what it reminds me of?
I will not lay down unless you sing me train whistle blowing. First sing me train whistle blowing, then I'll lay down.
There's like nice layering.
That's right.
Oh, well then I'm good to get up.
It reminds me of the Romanticist. These idyllic images of nature, you know, where everything is supposed to be evidence of God.
Well, that would do it.
How can you not?
You take this? Or what do you take for that? Something I Well, it's a blank white.
Just
board,
one?
The computer hooks up to it.
I want more train whistle blowing, please.
And so
You said
program
Ava's in the.
draw things on.
How about I See the Moon?
Ames, I want I See the Moon, please.
Maybe.
Only one song.
Like simple
No, if you leave, I will get up. No, I don't.
They loved it. And so
Ava, I need a song. I need a I See
like
the Moon,
this,
please.
And they just were like,
I'm going to get up.
loved watching the process. And we do it together.
I need I See the Moon.
You said, okay, now everybody put away your books, we're going to play a bit more.
Suckers! Boom! See, this would actually have been a good spot for it. Then we can slap on one.
What song do you want? I see the moon and the moon sees me down through the leaves of the old oak tree. Please let the light that shines on me shine on the ones I love.
Sure, but if you play 200 times,
Already? That wasn't a very good sleep. Did you sleep well?
that's a different story.
You did?
It's been 100 times.
The moon is on?
This game's like war.
Yeah.
It's some variation.
Can you say